हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। गाइस, आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग बीआई के सारे एप्लीकेशंस देखेंगे। हम लोग बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस के जो सारे टूल्स यूज़ करते हैं, लाइक फ्रॉम डेटा क्लींसिंग टू डेटा स्टोरेजिंग टू द रिपोर्ट बिल्डिंग। तो हम लोग अपने कंप्यूटर में पूरा एक बीआई सेटअप्स करेंगे और आज हम लोग देखेंगे कि हाउ डू वी विल डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स एंड हाउ वी कैन इंस्टॉल ऑल द पावर बीआईज एंड डेटा क्लींसिंग टूल लाइक SSIS, डेटा वेयर हाउस, SQL सर्वर इन माई सिस्टम। एंड ये जो कोर्स सीरीज रहेगा ये लास्ट तक हम लोग देखेंगे फ्रॉम बिल्डिंग रिपोर्ट इन टू द पावर बीआई और उसकी इनिशियल स्टेज हाउ वी विल सेटअप डेटा वेयर हाउस एंड ऑल। So be with me, and if you have not subscribed my channel codingkaksha at, then please subscribe. I used to regularly upload the video over the BIL stuff and coding stuff like programming, Python programming. We have all so guys, according to here, Power BI is the data visualization tool which we use to visualize the data. If we will gather all the data like from the Excel file, flat file, wherever we will gather the data, now we have to visualize the data according to the question. Like if someone have given us question ki find the previous year sales of the particular item, so we will gather the data of that previous year sales of all the items and we will categorize that items and we will find according to the requirement. So first BI tool is Power BI. Before that we need that SQL Server, DB, SSMS, Azure Data. If you don't want to take the client tool as SSMS, you can also take Azure Data Studio also. So we will try to install all these things tool in our system. So first we will go through the Power BI, because if we will have Excel file, we can import that Excel file directly into the Power BI and we can clean the data inside the Power BI also. So we will first try to install the Power BI in our machine and we will check how we can go further with Power BI. So first we will open our Chrome. If you have Chrome or Edge or Firefox, whatever, just go over the Chrome and type Power BI download. Power BI desktop download. There are 3 to 4 tools of Power BI like Power BI reporting and all. So we will see all those tools also over here. Once we will go, so first link we will open, that is powerbimicrosoft.com. It is the official site of Power BI. So over here if you will scroll down, so we will get Power BI desktop, Power BI mobile, which is a mobile app, then on premises data gateway and on premises reporting with Power BI report server and BI report builder. So first we will see these all tool next video how we can install these. First we will try to install this Power BI desktop. So instead of download we will go to the advanced download option. So we will get more options and we will direct to the main download window, because if you click on over download it will redirect to somewhere else. We don't want to go there. Just we will select our language over here, which is English, and we click over the download. It will ask for the byte of your desktop. So if you have 64-bit, you can download it, or you can download both as per your convenience. So I will download the 64-bit exe file and just we will click next. It will start downloading. So I have already downloaded this Power BI X4. After once you will get downloaded, just you click over this, double click over this downloaded item and your installation will begin. Once I will open it, it will start for ask for some of the settings like which language. So I have already selected, so English language. Next, once we will click next, he want to the administrator permission to install the app in our computer. So I have already logged in as an administrator, so I not required any further permission. So I will just click over next and wait for the few more minutes to respond. So installation will start and we have to just click over next. And once I will click next, it will ask for the acceptance of terms and conditions. Just read the terms and conditions. If you are having a lot of time, then I'm not going to read over here. So if you want to change the location of the installation directory, like it is installing into the C, if you have not that much space into the C and want to install into the D drive, you can change the location from here. I don't want to change this. I will let it be there. If you want to create a shortcut over the desktop, you can check this or uncheck this. So I will let it be like that. So I will get a desktop icon also for this. And now it's validating the install, and within a few minutes or few seconds I will get my Power BI installed. सो गाइज आप जैसे कि देख सकते हैं, वी हैव इंस्टॉल्ड दिस एंड वी आर गेटिंग द विंडो ऑफ फिनिश ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज लॉन्च माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर बीआई. अगर आपको लॉन्च करना है फिनिश के साथ ही, तो आई हैव फिनिश इट एंड नाउ इट विल लॉन्च ऑटोमेटिकली. सो जैसे देख सकते हैं आप, पावर बीआई हमारा लॉन्च हो चुका है एंड वी विल सी जस्ट ओवरव्यू टुडे, एंड इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल एक्सप्लेन हाउ वी कैन यूज द पावर बीआई एंड व्हाट आर द इंटरफेस ऑफ पावर बीआई, हाउ वी कैन यूज इट, हाउ वी कैन मेक डैशबोर्ड फ्रॉम इट, हाउ वी कैन क्लीन द डेटा फ्रॉम इट. सो अगर आप इसका मेन विंडो पे जैसे ही आते हैं, आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे गेट डेटा है एंड रिसेंट डेटा सोर्सेज, लाइक गेट डेटा फ्रॉम वेयर वी वांट टू गेट डेटा. इफ यू क्लिक ओवर हियर, तो इट विल आस्क फॉर द डेटा कि आप कहाँ से डेटा ले सकते हैं. रिसेंट डेटा सोर्सेज लाइक अगर प्रीवियस, अभी तो न्यूली इंस्टॉल किए, अगर हम लोग प्रीवियसली इस पे काम किए होते तो यहाँ पे वो सब सारे डेटा सोर्सेज दिखाते जो हमने प्रीवियस अपने प्रोजेक्ट में यूज़ करा। तो अभी हम लोग ये छोड़ते हैं, लेट्स क्लोज दिस ऑल्सो एंड वी विल लुक इनटू द पावर। सो सी वी हैव द ऑप्शन हियर, इंपोर्ट एसक्यूएल सर्वर। अगर मुझे डेटा एसक्यूएल सर्वर से इंपोर्ट करना है, विच वी कैन डू हियर ऑल्सो। अगर हम लोग को सैम्पल डेटा सेट चाहिए तो वी कैन ट्राई विद द सैम्पल डेटा सेट ऑल्सो। इफ वी हैव एक्सेल फाइल एंड वी वांट टू डू द विजुअलाइजेशन ओवर द एक्सेल डेटा, so we can import the excel file too. Just we have to click here and we have to like we have lot of the samples data stored. So like I have sample superstore data over here, so we will just open it and say it has started connecting that. So how many seats will be there? Like अगर मुझे एक्सेल में ये करना हो तो tables, right? We have database and in one database so many tables are over there. So in Excel sheet there are lot of the sheets divided. Like here we have page 1, page 2, like that sheet 1, sheet 2. So if in one sheet there is a order sheet name, so this one is a order table. So another sheet, if we have that order filter database, that is like people return, so that is all the. So if we will click over order table, so we will get all those columns inside the order sheet in Excel. So we can so here that is row ID, order date, ship mode. We can transform. If you want to transform, like we have to change any name or we have to add any extra calculated column, so we will click over transform. So it will open this Power Query editor, and inside that Power Query editor we can do the changes over, like we have customer name, country, city, state, postal code, okay, region, category, subcategory, quantity, sales. So if you want to do any calculation like profit, quantity, sales, so we can do calculation over this column using, we can drive new column also. So it is a profit and sales, so we want to find the price, so we can do that also over here. We can see the discounts price also, how many quantities are also. So similarly we can do all those things over here. We will look these all things in next video. So till this we have understood how we can install the Power BI in our local machine without any license or anything, paying any amount to anyone. So be with me in next video. We will talk about the SQL Server installation, as we have already discussed. जैसे कि मैं आपको बताया हूँ कि we will set up SQL Server DB in our system only. Then we will also install Azure Data Studio for free. Then SSIS for cleansing the data and putting that data, loading that data in our data warehouse. So be with me. Thanks for watching this video. If you have watched till here, please subscribe to my channel. It will support me a lot. And also like, share with your friend those who are in BI field or want to learn Power BI tool. Thanks. We will meet in next video.